Hi guys, it's Alex and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a wearable Halloween look. So I'm thinking purples, oranges, maybe some spiders and ghost looking things to make it a little bit more fancy. We'll see. Because not everyone gets to be able to dress up, so I thought this might be fun as something a little bit different. So if you'd like to see what I come up with, stick around. So first I'm going to go in with some primer, so I'm just using my Revolution Pure Blur and I'm just going to pop that all on my face. So primer's all in, so I'm going to go in with some foundation. So I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm just going to pop that everywhere. And I'm just going to go in with my brush and blend that all in. So my foundation's all in. I kind of probably put a bit too much in it, so that didn't really, it looks really weird to me. I don't know, maybe it doesn't look as weird to you, but it looks strange to me. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop some powder on top. So I'm just going in with the Nude by Nature's Natural Mineral Cover. I'm just gonna do a light dusting all over my face. Now the powder's all in, I'm going to go in with a bit of contour. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Ultra Contour Palette. So I'm just going to use that and do light contouring. Not too heavy because I always think that it makes my face look kind of funny. And I guess I'm just not used to that, so I don't go too heavy. Maybe one day. So that's basically the base all done. So we're going to move on to the fun part and start on the eyes and eyebrows. So move you in closer and let's get going. So now I'm going to move on to eyebrows. So today I'm just going to be using the, oh golly. So I'm going to be using the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. So let's get going. And that's the eyebrows done. So now we can move on to the fun part, which is the eyes. Now before going further, yes, my eyelashes look pretty weird. I had a very unfortunate experience with eyelash extensions and I don't think I'll ever get them ever again. But that's a story for another time. So let's get into the fun bit right now. So I'm going to be using Beauty Bay's EYN Bright Palette and I'm going to be focusing on, ooh, here we go, all these bright oranges and all the purples down the bottom. So first off, I'm going to take a bit of a fluffy brush and go into this purpley colour down here, Modern Way. I don't even know if you can see that, but I'm using a lightish purpley colour. And I'm just going to go all around the creasy sort of area. And I'll do that on the other eye as well. So that's looking pretty cool so far. So I'm going to use a bit more of a darker purple and sort of do that again, but focus more on the bit that's closest to my lid. I guess that's the actual crease bit. That's where I'm going to focus my efforts with this darker purple colour. Okay, so that one wasn't as dark as I was hoping, so I'm going to go in with the darkest purple colour in this palette and see how this one goes. Yeah, that's much better. So I'm really happy with how this is looking so far. Now with what's on the rest of my brush, and I'll probably dip back into the light purple, I'm going to drag this underneath my eyes a bit. Yeah, kind of making it look like I'm a bit, I don't know, sick, but that's just what we're going to do. So I think that's how I'm going to leave it for now. So from here, I'm going to cut the crease of my eyelids and go in with some orange. So I'm just going to get my concealer brush, where I'll put it right here, and put a bit of the foundation that I was using before, and just sort of over the eyelid, carve out a bit of a semicircle. Yes, that's about as even as I'm going to be able to get it. So then I'm going to go in with this really bright orange here, Heat Wave, and I'm going to put that all over that foundation bit that I just carved out. So I just sort of clean up and finish it up at the top. I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush and the purpley colours and just sort of blend out the edges and sort of make it a bit more of a seamless transition. Now I'm just going to go in with a bit of a makeup wipe just to clean up some of the fallout that I've got underneath. I'm just going to touch that up. And that's essentially the eyes. So my camera just decided to cut out, so I don't even know if you got the start of what I'm doing here, but basically we're just popping on some eyeliner and some attempt of a bit of dramatic wings. And these are by no means the best wings I've ever done, but they're gonna do. They're fine. So next I'm going to pop on some mascara, and I'm actually going to put on some false eyelashes today, mainly just so that my eyelashes actually look kind of full. So mascara wise, going to go in with the Too Faced Damn Girl. So just going to put on some generous coats of that. The false eyelashes I'm going to be using are these ones, Glam by Medicare in Natural, which they really are just very natural looking eyelashes. They're definitely not dramatic at all, but I just want to look like I have eyelashes, so that's what I'm doing. But I'm going to go put them on off camera because I'm awful at putting on false I am awful at putting on false eyelashes, so I'll see you when they're on. So now I've got the false eyelashes on, and basically the eye look is all complete. Now I just thought that maybe I want to try and be a little bit more creative and try and be a little bit more spooky and try and draw a little spider on my face. So I'm going to take Jeffree Star's Weirdo Liquid Lip and take a little lip brush here, get a little bit on that, of that on here, and try and draw a little circle or a big circle. Be my little spider's body. Pretty basic, pretty okay so far. And then I'm just going to take my eyeliner from before and draw some spider legs. And there we go, a bit of a dodgy spider. I mean, it's not the worst in the world. Probably not as cool as I was hoping it'd look, but it's a bit more creepy, so I'm gonna leave it. So that's everything for the eyes and a little bit of a detail. Now I think you could go crazy and do some other things, but artistically drawing little small things on my face, I don't think I'm that great as my little spatter, you can see. So all that's left to do is a bit of highlighter and some lipstick. So I'm just going to go in with highlighter first with the NYX Strobo Genius, and I'm just going to go in with a bit of a mixture of all these three colours at the bottom and just tap into all of those, pop them up on my cheekbones. Now I'm going to try and miss the spider because I want him to be as black as possible, and then pop a little bit on my nose and on my cupid's bow. And it's basically that highlighter. Then we're going to go in next and lastly with some lipstick. Now I've got three different choices that I've got here at the moment. So I've got Jeffree Star's Deceased, Sagittarius and Scorpio. They're all, as you can see, very similar shades, and I think all of them would look pretty good. But I think I'm going to go in with Deceased because, I don't know, Halloween, Deceased, spooky ghosts, I don't know, bit of a train of thought. So let's pop it on. And now that I've got the lipstick on, this completes the whole look. So I'm pretty happy with this. I think my spider drawing skills may need a little bit of work, but as a bit of an easy and quick wearable Halloween look, I think this is pretty good. All you need to do is throw on a bit of a spooky looking outfit and you're ready to go. And I guess that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you guys had a lot of fun watching it. I had a lot of fun making it. If you did, you know, give us a thumbs up and comment down below, and, you know, click subscribe while you're there. That could be pretty cool too. But I guess until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!